Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking a little bit more in depth into the index match function, specifically how to use a two-way lookup with the index match function, or two distinct criteria. So I used this data set in my previous video explaining how to use the index match function in general. I thought it would be good to keep a small data set to better explain how the function works. But generally you're going to want to use this when you have vast amounts of data, when you have like 500 names here and all this information. And so the way this works is we're going to need a criteria that searches horizontally and a criteria that searches vertically. So in this case, we can search a name and then determine which quarter we want to display. All right, so let's say we want to use Phil as an example. And let's just say these are salesmen and these are sales, and these could be in thousands or millions or whatever. But let's say we want to know what Phil's quarter two sales were. All right. So if we had a ton of information, instead of filtering through this, we could use an index match function to do a two-way lookup here. So basically what it's going to do is it's going to search for Phil quarter two, and it's going to display 6. And this is how you would do that. You would do the index, and our array is going to be C through F. Then we're going to do our match function. Our lookup value is going to be Phil within column B. And we're going to want that to be an exact match, close parenthesis, comma. And generally, what you would do at this point with a basic index match function is put a 2 right here. So that would go 1, 2 columns to display 6. But we wanted to display whatever this cell says. So what we can do is do a match function again. So our lookup value is going to be quarter 2. And then our lookup array is going to be quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4. So C2 through F2. And then we're going to want an exact match there, close parentheses. And when we hit enter to execute the formula, we're going to have $6. All right. So now this formula is tied to these cells. So if I want to change this to Jared, it's going to display $4 for quarter 2 for Jared. Or maybe I want quarter 1 instead. Then it goes to $66, and we can see that that is also correct. So forming your index match function like this really helps you have flexibility in finding the data that you want. And that way we're not hard coding anything in the formula, and whatever we put in these two cells, it's going to search in our data set. All right, hopefully that was super simple, quick tutorial for you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, smash the like button. I appreciate it so much. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.